Patches, Chupacabra, Bambi, Sabeh, Sabah. He doesn't listen to anything. Patches, Beauty, Ugly, Happy. You. Tja. Let's agree on Patches. 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 Patches is with me now for 2.5 weeks. He's getting there. He is definitely getting there. Hey! Don't bite me. It's time for him to find a home, I decided. Because there are people who would really consider taking him. He has a fan club.
He's such a sweet dog.
I know. I want him.
And he's going to have lovely colouring too.
I know. If I was staying, I would foster him till he got better, definitely. He's a gorgeous boy. You're gorgeous.
I don't know anyone who could take care of him.
I must say I haven't seen anybody falling in love with this guy yet, because most people are just screaming and running away.
Yeah, but I suppose when you think back to